Have you ever dreamed of sitting in business class without paying for it? In this video, I'll share secret hacks smart travelers use to score a free upgrade. But before we start, hit that follow button if you want more travel tips and airport secrets they don't tell you. 1. Choose your flight timing wisely. Flying midweek, like on a Tuesday or Wednesday, means fewer passengers. Airlines often upgrade people on emptier flights to balance seat distribution. Try to avoid holidays and weekends when flights are usually packed. Example: Ahmed booked a flight on Tuesday morning. Since the plane wasn't full, he got upgraded automatically. 2. Check in late, but not too late. When economy is full, airlines need to upgrade someone to free up a seat. If you check in a little later and you're among the last, your chances go up. Warning: don't be too late. Just avoid being one of the first to arrive. Note: this works best on flights where you haven't pre-selected a seat. 3. Dress nicely and respectfully. Your appearance matters more than you think. Airline staff prefer to upgrade passengers who fit the image of business class. It reflects on the company. Wear a clean shirt, smart jacket, or dress pants. Avoid gym wear, flip-flops, or ripped t-shirts. Example: Sarah wore a polished outfit and politely asked about an upgrade, and got moved up on the spot. 4. Join frequent flyer programs. Even if you don't travel often, just being a member gets your name into the system and gives you priority over regular passengers for upgrades. Programs like Sky Miles, Delta, Executive Club, British Airways, Flying Blue, Air France, KLM. Tip: sign up for free and add your membership number to every booking. Start building your travel history. 5. Ask politely, but at the right time. Sometimes all it takes is to ask. At the gate, not at check-in, ask the staff, "Hi, I was wondering if there's any chance of an upgrade today." Say it with a smile and don't push too hard. Don't ask for upgrades at the check-in counter or early on. The real decisions are made at the boarding gate. Example: Khalid asked politely at the gate, and since seats were available, he was upgraded. Getting an upgrade isn't just luck. With a bit of timing, the right look, and a smart approach, you could be sipping juice at 30,000 feet in style. Try these hacks on your next flight and tell us how it went. And don't forget to hit follow so you never miss more hidden travel secrets.